Good day.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, just like you walk the blessings though.
Okay. How it is?
You don't really know me, I just know about
On your follow.
yeah, your follower them, I just got that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Woman power though, woman strength.
Straight out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Straight up. So where are you?
Yeah, New York.
Oh, bless up.
Look up yourself, man.
Same to you, darling.
Yeah.
Just here I get a little shout out.
I love it, man.
You love it.
I mean, I love it.
The son of Bra, Jamaica.
Bra.
Not even a little twang.
Not for a reason, you know much use me there, so man from.
Not a little. Hey you, hi. So how are you?
For what reason?
Not a little twiggy.
But even I need to do another thing that I know when and where and how.
Alright, that sounds good. You feel I'm afraid of Bunchi.
Yeah, it's so
Meka.
my name, man. My name Meka.
Meka.
Meka unstoppable. Yeah, stop.
A good name.
Yeah.
Unstoppable.
Yeah.
So you've been watching me long time, Meka?
Long time.
Years.
Yeah, watch the name, look on it, been a watcher. A woman power, no girl, woman power.
Straight out.
Some people you know it's the girl with on fire against woman and really depend it. You see your vibes, you follow your vibes because you're straight there yourself.
Thank you.
Never ever go on it. Me have more on me than me not go on it. You see what I do for face with you? Me not do them. Me not do them things.
Recognize real in America.
You see when a girl a try, you give a girl strength, you know, bring her down, you push her up.
Straight out.
We are a woman and the whole of we come from the bottom we split. So we know nada else we figure but up. So when we look up, we all must fall and look up, don't tear down, no bring down.
It's true. I agree with you, Meka.
Yeah man, we burn out bad mind man and burn out pagan and envy man.
True.
All of them things. Anything we are set back, we burn it out.
Straight up. I agree with 100%.
Yeah, because as we root it up and put fire upon it, man, we ring the neck and prick the neck of the jealous beast them.
Straight up.
Yeah, but we
are dealing with liberty. We are dealing with
straight prosperity, liberty, outside.
Grace, peace,
Greatness, man.
That's what check our yeah, liberty.
Yeah, man.
Because, listen, you know, we are not alone, you know.
Can never be alone. We never come here alone, you know.
All right.
We never come here by ourselves. We never bring ourselves here. We call him.
We can't read for one. We have to have one hand can't clap, so we have to have strength. And we have to hold on to strength. And
see them, mama. Right, that's all.
It doesn't matter. I say that a lot of time, you know. Look at the pretty. Yeah. I send them send out for Bruce, you know. Most probably. Let me tell you something. Where we are living in a time when people don't care about people, other people feelings. They care about. Yeah, they care about to be seen, showing off. But you know what? As me say, the real people not show off, you know, the people when have billions, millions don't show off. You see the people when have nothing, you see each time them approach this Instagram and this social media, they start to each come out of them mouth, they just feel rich. They feel rich.
But now I get a joke, so when you know when you're rich, and when you're rich with your blessings, when you know your blessings.
It's not your heart.
Yes,
heart alone.
Yes, this girl, and this, the mind must free, not for all nobody. And your heart
must free from mental slavery. And this is the thing we love people. This is the thing enough for them to understand. They're still in mental slavery. They're still caught up in mental slavery. So them when you hear them come out, oh, may have this, may have that. No, that's mental slavery. Why can't you bring anything where you have?
I love you, the girl, and I don't know you. More you know that straight. I love your whole energy. Energy, real, me I get a joke with you. 5 years me do a prison, you know, I live in America for I'm do 5 years up here, girl. And
yeah.
Girl, a girl was supposed to be my friend.
Are your enemy?
I'm my biggest enemy. The girl have
you know your friend.
5 years, the girl have to use them for 5 years. And the girl do me use them bad like say. Them take her man. Them a pick me, you know, and she a move with them like yo.
What should you do? What should you do? What should you do? You didn't care your kids them for keep?
Girl, me know I'm youth them getting out of the system, don't it?
I wonder if the said dog shit one named Fretdem.
Bomba class!
I wonder if a Fretdem.
Fretdem, Lana. Feed them.
Yeah, Yolanda.
Yeah.
People, crowd, dry as so. I wonder if I said that before them. You make people class your kids them. People come with the crowd. You don't contact Baga TV. People, hold on. Hold on, who want to get you a long time, Meka, we are try get you. Hey, rock on, come in. Tell a friend, the lady for the children, them. Hey, Anto, tag, Stallion, tag Baga TV. So, hello.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Girl, no know what. Yo, girl, I pray for her, you know, yo. You have to pray for her.
Meka, be a lady girl, tell. Come here.
You can't tell me about me. I mean, to tell you about me.
Meka, no rock on, come in, tell her friend. Hold on, Meka, no talk yet. Keep your mouth closed. Rock on, come in.
Right.
Mixed up TV, the platform. Hey.
Why me come on today? God, me love you, God. God, me
God
love you.
send you.
God, me love you.
Lord, of chin, the Lord, of me on the phone if you call chin. Call tag all of, hey. Where the blood clot phone I go? Tag all of the Meka people. Hey. Fretdem, that thing I hear. See that? Live and direct, we don't have to ask sweet. When God I use him, use.
I want me to tell you, good girl.
Yeah, Meka, long time we have tried to get your Meka when she have other people bring down your picture them out here. Yeah. Tag everybody. Hold on there. Like and share, me say I just come for a minute, but I look like I'm going to spend a minute or more, yeah, so.
No, we are going to eat, good girl. We are going to lose the demon there. We are send them back to hell today.
I ask you.
We are send them right back to hell today.
I ask you. Rock and come and see our dirty foot friend come on there. Oh my God. Rock on come in, like and share, people. Get all of the platform, yeah. We've been waiting on this. Contact bag. Contact mix up for you. Contact with chain. Hello?
I'm picking them leader for me there.
Yeah, people bring them down because she have to pick them up, pose and abuse them. Hello? Yeah, dirty Fretdem.
Yes,
You know, hold on, my earpiece. I'm having the earpiece. Hold on, TikTok. Hello?
Can't talk to no good?
Yeah, hold on, goods. Me call somebody, I forgot to say me having earpiece to blow clear. And them answer. TikTok, where you there? Come over upon me live. The woman with the one time Fretdem, the dirty woman, they have the lady pick me and make the liberty them and take a lady, pick the lady upon me live now. Rock on come in. Rock and come in, like and share, like and share. Red Book get fair, bring down our shutter back, Fretdem. Oh shit, I got to go. Oh my god, Puppy Tail, rock and come in, rock and come in. Don't you Fretdem, are your time to be hey, on a take all call Jojo. Like I watch me show and I like that why today.
Today. Today.
Yeah, Meka today. I mean, watch me show and I'm showing interest.
You see my background? You can't see my background? You see my background?
Yeah. Yeah, it's it.